Across the frozen tundra, through deep, silent forests, and beside roaring rivers, a true giant rules the North American wilderness. This is the realm of the grizzly bear, one of the continent's most powerful and iconic predators. The grizzly bear, scientifically known as Ursus arctos horribilis, is a magnificent subspecies of the brown bear. You'll find them roaming the vast landscapes of Alaska, western Canada, and parts of the northwestern United States. These are not small animals. A fully grown male can weigh over 300 kilograms, standing tall on hind legs to a height that would dwarf a human. Their most distinctive feature is a large hump of muscle over their shoulders, which powers their forelimbs for digging up roots and delivering powerful blows. Add to that their long, sharp claws, not for climbing, but for excavating dens and tearing apart logs, and an incredible sense of smell, and you have a truly formidable survivor, perfectly adapted to its environment. The sheer power of a grizzly is hard to comprehend. Imagine an animal strong enough to flip over rocks weighing hundreds of kilograms just to find a tasty snack of insects or marmots underneath. And don't let their size fool you. They are surprisingly fast. A grizzly bear can run up to 55 kilometers per hour in short bursts, easily outrunning a horse. Their sense of smell is legendary, possibly the best in the entire animal kingdom. They can detect a food source from kilometers away, a crucial skill for finding sustenance in their vast territories. Despite this fearsome strength and reputation as a top predator, grizzlies are omnivores. Their diet is incredibly varied and changes with the seasons. They'll feast on berries, nuts, and roots, dig for insects and grubs, hunt small mammals, and even take down large prey like elk or moose when the opportunity arises. But perhaps the most iconic image we have of the grizzly bear is when it becomes a master fisherman. The annual salmon run is a critical event in the life of a grizzly. You'll see them standing in the rushing water, patiently waiting to snatch a fish with a swift swipe of their paw or a powerful bite. This isn't just a feast, it's a matter of survival. Each salmon is packed with fat and calories, essential for building up the reserves needed for the long winter ahead. This annual event is a cornerstone of the ecosystem. The bear's leftovers feed birds and other scavengers, and their nutrient-rich waste fertilizes the surrounding forests. As the days grow shorter and colder, the grizzly prepares for a long sleep. They excavate dens, often on steep slopes, where they will spend up to 6 months in hibernation. Their heart rate slows dramatically, and their body temperature drops, allowing them to conserve energy until spring returns. For female grizzlies, the den is also a nursery. They give birth to tiny, helpless cubs during hibernation and nurse them until they are strong enough to emerge into the world. A grizzly mother is one of the most dedicated and fiercely protective parents in nature. She will defend her cubs against any threat, teaching them everything they need to know to survive in the wild for the next 2 to 3 years. Despite their power and resilience, grizzly bears face significant challenges. Habitat loss from human development is shrinking their territories, pushing them into smaller and more fragmented areas. This inevitably leads to increased human-bear conflict, which can be dangerous for both sides. Climate change is also a growing concern, affecting their food sources, like the availability of berries and the timing of salmon runs. Thankfully, dedicated conservation efforts are underway. These initiatives focus on protecting critical habitats, creating wildlife corridors to connect bear populations, and educating the public on how to coexist safely with these magnificent animals. The grizzly bear is more than just a symbol of wildness and untamed power. It's a keystone species. Its presence shapes the entire ecosystem. Protecting the grizzly means protecting the wild heart of North America itself. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey into the world of the grizzly bear fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more adventures into the wild.